All right, guys, good afternoon.
Hey, what's up?
Yes, we are back in Angeles City. Today we're at the mall right now, and we're going to do something that Hannah Grace and Lut has never done, a sporting event.
Not surf.
Not surfing, but you can only do it, well, we only know about it here at the SM Mall, so that's where we're at, and that's where we're going today. And well, let's go inside and we'll show you what we're going to do. I'll tell you what, guys, today's Saturday and it is a warm day. SM Mall parking lot is packed. We found a spot pretty quick. Somebody was pulling out. We just happened to be at the right place at the right time. But they've got, I think they're putting in like a fun world or something outside here. So they eliminated one whole parking spot, and then on the other side over there that way, they got some major construction going on over there. I have no clue what's going on. And then you also have you have companies inside the mall, and I think this is their parking lot. So parking now is limited up here at SM Mall. But we're gonna head in, get some air con. I'm a little, I don't know. The only thing I keep thinking about is, you know, you're inside the mall, and I've seen videos of everybody rushing out of the mall during the earthquake, so got to keep that in the back of my mind. I guess I shouldn't be paranoid. I'm not going to let that ruin a good day, but it's always in my mind now since the earthquake happened here. So anyways, let's go inside. Let's get some aircon. All right, guys, we are up on the second floor here at SM Mall. Yeah, the escalators are down. There's a brownout on the escalator. I don't know what's going on. But where we're going here is on the second floor. And I don't know if you guys are aware of this or not. Those that live here or those that visit. But yeah, that's a new place there, right? Yeah, that's a new place. Anyways, here it is. Here's what we're doing today. Hope they're open. Here it is, guys. Unless you didn't know, there is a bowling alley. I've never been in this bowling alley, but we've known it's here for a while. But today we're going bowling, Hannah Grace and Lut. First time bowling. This is a new building right here, or a new little restaurant, the Shawarma Shack. Oh, and they have, look, they have the shawarma. I might have to get one of these. They got the shawarma up on the little toaster thing going. Hello. That looks good. That looks really good. It's not the pre-made stuff. That's coming right off the slab. Might have to check that out later on. But anyways, enough talking. Guess we're gonna go in and find out more about bowling. It's called Bowling and Leisure Center. All right, so here it is. You have to go to security right when you come through. But here it is, man. Check it out. Let's gonna get there are the rates right there. All right, music playing. Let's go in here and let's check it out. Look at a pool table in here. Seating area. Looks really nice. Really nice. I'll get your prices in. But yep, this is the bowling alley here. Check it out. Really nice. Really nice. Alright guys, so we are finished bowling. It was 600 pesos for, I guess you call it like one round.
Yeah.
That included shoe rentals. It was 600 for the three of us, so we did two rounds. I guess that's what you call them. I'm not a bowling expert. So it cost us 1,200 pesos. A little over $20. But you know what, it was fun. I mean, I had a good time. Like, I haven't bowled in a long time. I'm no expert at bowling either, but you know what, I had fun. Look, what did you think?
Yeah, I have fun too, except Brian always bet me. I don't know.
Hannah Grace, what was your first bowling experience? Yeah, she did, well, it's like we told her, practice, you have to practice. And you know what? Towards the end there, she was keeping the ball in the middle of the bowling alley area, and she was knocking some pins over. What was her final score?
39.
She had like 39, so that's pretty good. I mean, she never bowled before, so to get 39, yeah, she's very competitive and she wants to win. But you know, I've seen people go bowling for the first time and never once hit a single pin. So she did good as she played. So anyways, we're hungry. What are you hungry for, Lut?
We go to food court, you said you want to...
They're going to food court, and I'm going to Shawarma Shack, and I will meet them downstairs at the food court. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have a shawarma. You guys, you know who really missed us on vacation? And we really missed them too. Oh, Ba Choy.
Say hi. Say hi, Pasisi. I can take it. Bad.
Say hi. Say hi. I tried to teach him to, step.
Step
He doesn't.
He's shaking.
on the steps. We try to get him to go up the steps, but he's so scared, I guess, right?
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
shaking.
You do
He's
like
shaking.
this,
He did like 3 times. A 3-step, then that's it.
It's because we've always carried him up the steps to the bedroom at night.
I don't know to take it. No.
Plus, he's turning into a real bad choy, isn't he?
Yeah, real bad.
Fat body.
Fat buddy.
Fat buddy.
See, hey, look. 1 plus 1. Ay, Bachoy. Bachoy. Stop. Come on. Say 1 plus 1. That's it, kiss mama. Good boy. Good boy. Kiss Ate. Kiss Ate. Ay, no, it's okay. Ay.
Bad.
Huy. Relax.
Relax. You're gonna get overheated.
Relax.
It's very hot.
Kiss mama. Huy. Relax. Relax.
We don't wanna relax.
Kiss mommy, say mommy. Okay.
All right, let him go. He's very stinky.
No bath.
Gotta give him a bath like twice a week.
Yeah.
I don't know, pugs just have this pungent smell on their body.
No.
And like, you gotta clean their nose area out because, you know, because of the wrinkles and stuff. But yeah, like, you can clean it out and like a couple days later, they just got this pungent
I think over here-
smell to them.
Like, stop.
Put your sword away, Pim. Don't. It's gonna bite your sword.
See that?
What's stinky on him? What?
here, like,
His nose.
no, it's like the
Like the
line.
wrinkle around his nose, yeah. Just gets very stinky.
Hey, kapahok sini. Bilis
The water and everything gets up in his nose and licks his face, and it gets in there, and you just gotta wipe it out a couple times a week.
Yeah, you need to clean everything.
Yeah, you need to clean him
Like twice a week.
twice a week.
Sikit-sikit. Uti lang, may chicken.
Well, yeah, he really missed us. We missed him too. Did you miss him, Hannah Grace? Yeah. Did you miss him? What?
Of course, I do. Too bad. Like in my mind, always house, but choice, my baby love. Oh, baby love. Come on, baby love. Ow.
Lo would call her brother on Facebook, and then they would Facebook time.
Yeah.
And so Lo could talk about Choi on Facebook
Every
time.
time I call him like, Joy, baby love. Always like this. He's looking for the boys.
All right, we're gonna wrap this one up. This is probably a short video, but any last thoughts on the bowling adventure there? Wait, let's start with Hannah Grace.
It was fun, but not like that.
You were doing good at the end, though, right?
Yeah.
How many stars?
Like 5.
5 out of 5 stars.
No, out of 10.
Oh, what about out of 5?
Like 2.5.
2.5. Do you want to do it again?
Maybe.
Maybe. What sport do you like?
What?
What sport do you like?
Sport volleyball.
And what else?
Badminton.
What else? Not your favorite, swimming?
Oh yeah, swimming.
And Lloyd, what are your thoughts?
Fun.
And what is your star rating?
3.5.
3.5. 3.5. Okay.
Because if I choose between bowling and surfing, I still choose surfing.
Oh. All right, wrap this one up, Lloyd.
I don't know what to do with it. We're gonna wrap this one out until next time.
Bye.